Hi readers! This video is to show you the proper and complete way to fill out your independent reading progress form. You should fill this form out after every class so that you can keep track of your thoughts while you are reading. I'm going to show you how to do this, and this way you will know exactly how you can fill it out. So I'm going to use the book that I'm reading right now, which is called Born a Crime. Put that in the title section, and then in the author section I'm going to put the author. His name is Trevor Noah. Alright, the next question asks what page or timestamp you are on. So if you're reading a book, and I'm reading this book with my eyes, I would put the page that I stopped on, page 157. If I was reading an audiobook, I might put 1 hour and 8 minutes and 45 seconds. It will tell you on your phone or your computer how long you're into the book, but I'm on page 157. The next question asks me what genre the book is, and this is a nonfiction book. It's actually an autobiography of Trevor Noah's life. I'll click that. The next section of your form asks you to complete a response, which should be a little bit longer, about a paragraph in length. And you get to choose any one of these prompts to write your response. Some of these you have not learned about yet, the notice and note prompts, but you will learn about them in this unit, and then you can start to use them. So for this example, I'm going to use this one. It says, describe an important event from your book and how it impacted the different characters. Now, Trevor Noah is a comedian, and he's talking about his life, and he grew up in South Africa. And he told a story in my reading today. So I'm going to write, Trevor told a story about being caught shoplifting with a friend. This is important This sentence says, this is important because it teaches him a lesson about being reckless and taking responsibility for his actions. I said this impacted him as a person because he explains how he always thinks about that time before he possibly makes another mistake. I'm predicting that he's going to use this as example as a way to tell the reader about how he became famous, not by shoplifting, but by learning from his previous mistakes. So let me write that too. Now, I've written about 5 sentences here, which is a paragraph, And this is going to allow me to track my thinking as I am reading the book. The next question asks, where am I in the book? Now, I'm about in the middle. This is an approximation here. So if you're in the beginning, you would put that, and so on. And then I'm going to rate how my reading experience was today. I really enjoyed the reading today. I think the book is very funny. So I found my flow, and I would click 5. Now, I'm done with the form, so I can click next and I will be finished. However, for this example, I'm going to show you what the form looks like if you finished your book. So if you finished and you click next, then it takes you to another part of the form that asks you to be a little bit reflective about your overall experience with the book. So did you like it? Yeah, I loved this book. What are 5 subject words that you would describe the subjects in the book? So I would say race, class, success, family, and history. These are 5 words that come to my mind when I'm thinking about the book. And the next question is about how you're challenging yourself as a reader. So this book is evidence that I am exploring a new culture. I really didn't know that much about South Africa before I started reading this book. And the last thing is you can take a selfie with your book. So this would be kind of fun, is to snap a picture of yourself with your book, and you can upload the file here and you can click submit. Now I'm going to show you how you can view your data. So if you look on your form, there should be a little pencil down here at the bottom right hand corner. If you click on that pencil, it will take you back to where you can edit the form, but it will also take you right here to where you can see the responses. If you click on that, you can see all of your responses. And over time, if you continue to use this form every day, you'll be able to see some patterns start to emerge. You'll be able to track your thinking about the book. You'll be able to see what kind of books you like to read and things like that, which will help you when you fill out your portfolio at the end of this unit. So that's all for this. Ask your teachers if you have any questions, but I encourage you to use this form as a tool to help you learn about yourself as a reader.